Dreaming of adding a beautiful conservatory to your home but tangled in the web of planning permissions? Let's decode this together. Many homeowners assume that adding a conservatory is a straightforward project, but overlooking the necessity for planning permission can lead to costly mistakes and legal headaches. The truth is, whether you need planning permission for a conservatory depends on several factors like the size, location, and design of your planned addition. Fear not, the solution is simpler than it seems. In many cases, conservatories can be constructed under permitted development rights, which means no planning permission is required, provided specific guidelines are followed. However, it's crucial to understand these regulations comprehensively, as exceeding boundaries could lead you back to square one. If you're contemplating navigating the maze of planning permission for your conservatory dream, why go at it alone? Engage with us, ask questions, or share your concerns in the comments, or send us a direct message. Together, let's bring your conservatory dreams to life, legally and beautifully. If you found this video useful, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel and share the video.